Okay, so first we'll go through this code over here. Now, the first code we are going to go through is this one, which is called Firebase chat init. Now, what is this? Of course, this is this function, right? And over here we have a background handler. Now, we'll take a look at it later. First, we'll take a look at it, this one. Now, this would make more sense. Now, over here, we are doing actually a checking for Android system, if the mobile phone is Android or not. Apart from that, actually, we're also doing two things over here. Actually, we are registering multiple channels over here. So over here, we are doing channels. As you can see over here, channel call, channel message. Now, this channel is for calling when you make a voice call, and this channel is for messaging, or like when you send a text message. Well, how to do that? Now, this is the basic syntax, right? Okay, now over here, we do see that there are few objects. Now, first one is Firebase messaging handler. Now, this is actually the class, a singleton class that we created over here. Now, this is a singleton class. With this, we tell, okay, there should be only one instance of this class. But of course, this is not the main focus of this tutorial, so I'll skip that. Now, inside this, you'll see that we have this Android notification channel. So if you want to create a channel, you have to use this constructor, which is called Android notification channel. And inside this, you have to give it channel name, channel title, or actually channel ID, and the channel title or name. And rest of the things are actually pretty basic. Well, one of the things that we should take care, which is called a sound. Now, over here, we are going to play a raw sound, okay? I mean, our own customized sound. So that's why we have used the class, which is called a raw resources Android notification sound. And the other one is for sending messages. Okay, now sending messages, well, we also have channel ID, and of course it has to be different channel ID, different than this one. They could be random actually, but make sure that they are different. And also your channel name over here, which is different than this one. And at the same time, over here, we also have some settings. Now, this is a text message that we are sending. So over here, the importance is default importance. So we didn't really care that it's a priority. So go ahead with defaults, but when you make a phone call, it has to be maximized. So that's why over here we did maximize. Now, play sound is default true. But you don't see this raw resource Android notification sound, because we want to play the default sound, and this is our customized sound. So over here we just created this two channels, and these two channels are registered from this main function, as you can see over here inside this. So if you have multiple channels, actually you can create them. All you need to do, go ahead and register them. Now, before registering, you have to take care of another instance, which is called local notification plugin. Now, this one, now most of you are familiar with this. This is coming from a plugin which is called Flutter local notifications plugin. Go ahead and create an instance. Now, I have created this instance in the same class as my singleton class, but you could actually create it globally anywhere else. It doesn't matter. Just make sure it has only one instance, and you just go ahead and call it. It doesn't really matter. So with this, you'd be able to create actually few channels. Now, actually, we can view this thing in our phone that we have registered two channel, and it's possible to see. Now, let's open up our Android simulator. Now, this is our Android simulator. What I'm going to do, I'll go to home page actually. Now, from here, we'll go to settings, and after going to settings, we'll go to apps over here, and then this is our app. And now inside this, we can find actually notifications. Now you see that actually we have two channels, chatty call and chatty message. Now these channels are actually exactly this two channels, chatty call, chatty message, that we have registered. So yeah, that's how you actually register your notification channel on Android, and it's very important.